10 low-cost side hustles you can launch with less than 100 hookwatt. If less than $100 could become the foundation of your next income stream, you don't need thousands of dollars to start a business anymore. In fact, many successful online entrepreneurs started with a small budget and a willingness to learn. In today's video, I'll show you 10 side hustles you can start for under $100. Let's begin. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you trust and earn a commission when someone purchases. Through your referral link, your startup costs can be as low as purchasing a domain name or basic branding assets. 2. Digital products. Create ebooks, planners, templates, or checklists once and sell them repeatedly. Platforms like Payhip make it easy to start without managing inventory. 3. Print on demand. Design simple graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks. The supplier handles production and shipping, so you don't need to buy stock up front. 4. Freelance service. Offer graphic design, writing, video editing, or virtual assistants. A professional portfolio and a reliable internet connection are often enough to begin. 5. Blogging. Launch a niche blog and publish valuable content consistently. As traffic grows, you can earn through affiliate marketing, digital products, and display advertising. 6. YouTube content creation. Create educational or problem-solving videos using your existing knowledge. Many creators begin with a smartphone and free editing software before upgrading their equipment. 7. Social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their online presence. If you understand platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook, this can become a profitable service. 8. AI-powered content services. Use AI responsibly to help businesses create blog posts, social media captions, presentations, or marketing materials. Focus on adding your own expertise rather than relying solely on automation. 9. Online tutoring or coaching. Teach a skill you already have, whether it's design, business, languages, or software. The main investment is your knowledge and time. 10. Email marketing service. Many businesses struggle to build relationships with customers. Learning email marketing and automation can open opportunities to provide valuable services or support your own business. Final thought. Starting a side hustle isn't about having a huge budget. It's about choosing one opportunity, building useful skills, and staying consistent over time. Don't try all 10 at once. Pick one. Take action today and improve as you go. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to WealthWise Media for practical strategies on personal finance, budgeting, online income, and building long-term digital assets.